The serenity of Ramapo's picturesque campus with access to the hustle and bustle of New York City provides Roadrunners with the best of both worlds. Kaitlin is a junior majoring in communication arts, and she's ready to share the beauty of the campus and location through her lens. Kaitlin, please take it away.
Thanks, Alex, and hi, everyone. I always knew that I wanted to continue swimming in college, so when I toured Ramapo, I knew I found a school for me. One with both majors I wanted to pursue, a swim team, and a beautiful campus with plenty of spots to enjoy nature. Since coming to Ramapo, I've been able to challenge myself both academically and athletically, while also gaining incredible work experience. Thanks to Ramapo's ideal location, we're just 30 miles away from New York City and 45 minutes away from Newark Liberty Airport, which is great if you're an out-of-state student. This really came in handy this past fall as my professor and I flew to California for a research trip to photograph and report on the wildfires taking place. Ramapo's location isn't only ideal for work experience, as there are plenty of fun spots to go to with friends right around campus. One of New Jersey's largest malls is just 15 minutes away from campus, and the Roadrunner Express takes students there for free. But if shopping isn't really your thing, there are plenty of hiking trails right nearby to explore during any season. Balancing school, sports, and work can be a lot, so I always make sure to spend time at one of Ramapo's many scenic spots. When the weather's nice, my friends and I love to picnic in the Grove, walk around Cameron Pond, or go hiking in the Ramapo Mountains, which are just 1 mile away from campus. Before coming to Ramapo, I was really nervous and I didn't know what to expect from college. But now I can confidently say that coming to Ramapo was the best decision ever, as I've been able to grow while also meeting some of my best friends on this beautiful campus. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, thank you for sharing, Kaitlin. Having access to so many beautiful outdoor spots on campus is a great way to take a wellness break and reconnect. It's no surprise that Ramapo is named one of the 50 most beautiful campuses in America. I don't know if I want to relax in an Adirondack chair or hop on the Roadrunner Express and head to the mall next. That was great. Thank you for sharing.